Hello, I'm Mayor Phil Good with your weekly update. The City of Prescott Economic Development Department would like to hear from our business community. Please take a few minutes to complete the Prescott Employer and Business Survey to assist us in better understanding the needs, challenges, and opportunities facing local businesses. This survey will help the city shape future programs, policies, and investments to support business growth. The survey is open to all Prescott businesses and is available on participateprescott.com through November 15th. For details, contact John Heine, City of Prescott Economic Development Director, at 928-777-1460, extension 4600. Phase 2 of the Downtown Bollard Installation Project is underway. Combs Construction Company is active in the downtown area to install the next set of removable bollards in the downtown intersections to enhance pedestrian safety during large events. Bollards will be installed in the following intersections as shown on the map: the east and west sides of the Montezuma Street and Goodwin Street intersection, the east and west sides of the Cortez Street and Goodwin Street intersection, and the south side of the Montezuma Street and Sheldon Street intersection. Intersections will be partially closed 24 hours a day for bollard installation from October 6th through November 3rd. These closures are necessary to allow crews to complete this work prior to the Veterans Day Parade. Goodwin Street from Montezuma Street to Cortez Street will be fully closed to all traffic to allow crews to perform this work. Northbound and southbound traffic will be maintained along Montezuma Street and Cortez Street. Work in the Sheldon Street and Montezuma Street intersection will be performed in 3 phases to allow traffic to flow during bollard installation. This work will result in lane closures within the intersection throughout October. Construction may occur Monday through Saturday from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. Detour routes will be posted during these closure times. Please follow the marked signage to get to your destination. On-street parking restrictions will be in place during this work. We appreciate your support and understanding as we work to improve the safety of downtown Prescott, especially during public events such as parades. Note that schedules may shift due to weather. For questions and project information, call the project hotline at 928-237-3114 or visit the website. The City of Prescott is inviting residents, business owners, and visitors to share their experiences and ideas as part of the Dexter Near North Business District Pedestrian Safety Study. This community-driven initiative is focused on making local streets safer and more accessible for everyone. The study page and additional information is available on participateprescott.com. The city's Airport Advisory Committee will meet tomorrow, Tuesday, October 21st, at the Old Airport Terminal Building at 6500 McCurdy Drive in Prescott. The next council meetings will be on Tuesday, October 28th. The City Council Subcommittee on Appointments is currently seeking applications from citizens who are interested in serving on the following city boards, commissions, and committees. Pedestrian, Bicycle, and Traffic Advisory Committee is seeking to fill 3 upcoming vacancies. The term is from September 2025 through September of 2028. Applicants must be Prescott residents. The Airport Advisory Committee has 1 short-term vacancy that's open with a term from March 2025 through March of 2027. Applicants do not need to be a Prescott resident for this committee. Boards, commissions, and committees provide opportunities for citizens to take an active role in their local government. Members are appointed by the City Council upon recommendation from the Council Subcommittee on Appointments following review of applications. Applications are due to the City by 5 p.m. this Friday, October 24th. For more information, visit the City's website or contact the City Clerk's office at 928-777-1437. Early voting is now underway for the November 4th election. Don't forget, if you wish to request an early ballot by mail, you must do so by this Friday, October 24th. 5 candidates are running for 3 open City Council seats. Their names will appear on the November 4th ballot. We appreciate their willingness to serve and look forward to welcoming our newly elected council members and mayor at the swearing-in ceremony on November 18th. There's also a ballot initiative for the Arizona Public Service Franchise Agreement. The current agreement, which has been in place for 25 years, is set to expire in May of 2026. Voters are being asked whether to renew this agreement for another 25-year term. Please refer to your voter information pamphlet if you'd like some more details. Finally, Arizona, like all other states, will be participating in America 250 in 2026. The state has convened meetings around the state to plan for celebrations of this historic anniversary. I'm proud to report that Prescott will serve as the first location for Arizona state-sponsored activities. Prescott will host a traveling exhibit which depicts a full-size replica of the Liberty Bell. As this exhibit travels around the state, due to our standing as the first Arizona territorial capital, the exhibit will appear here in Prescott first. In fact, we'll have the exhibit on display beginning on Statehood Day, February 14, 2026. Details are still being finalized, but this is a great honor and we hope it will entice visitors from around the country and the state to come see this momentous exhibit. I'm Mayor Phil Good and I'll update you again next week. Thanks for watching.